Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best gel de Moldeo para UAs is probably one of the most versatile and essential products for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking sculpted nails at home, offering a durable and flexible medium that allows for incredible creativity in nail art and extensions, transforming your manicure into a true work of art with its unique properties that make it a favorite among both beginners and experienced nail technicians alike. Number 5. GOOACC GRC 3120 PCS Car Retainer Replacement Kit. Introducing a versatile kit designed to meet all your car's retainer needs. It includes a wide variety of clips for different applications. This set features 4 essential hole sizes, 6.4mm, 8mm, 9mm, and 10mm. These are designed to fit a universal range of vehicles and brands. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these clips are built to last. They resist wear and corrosion, ensuring they won't break or crack under pressure. Perfect for replacing trim panel, door, and bumper clips. They are also ideal for fender clips, engine covers, and splash shield retainers. Its applications extend beyond automotive use, making it suitable for telecom equipment, appliances, furniture, and electrical devices. You'll receive 120 assorted bumper push rivet clips in the specified sizes. A handy fastener remover tool is also included for your convenience. What we like? This kit offers a wide variety of sizes for most vehicles. If you're looking for a comprehensive set to handle various repair needs, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone who frequently works on cars or needs to replace multiple types of clips. What people say. The gel is easy to apply and sculpt, creating a strong and durable nail extension. It has a good consistency, not too runny or too thick, which makes it manageable for both beginners and experienced nail technicians. The finished product looks natural and professional, with a high gloss shine that lasts. Number 4. MedVance Sacral Foam Dressing. Introducing a revolutionary wound care solution designed for optimal healing. This dressing provides superior comfort and protection for sensitive areas. Specifically crafted for the sacral region, this dressing ensures a secure and comfortable fit. It's ideal for managing bed sores and other sacral wounds. Featuring a gentle silicone border, it adheres softly to the skin, minimizing trauma during removal. This technology also helps prevent leakage and maintain a moist healing environment. The highly absorbent foam core effectively manages exudate, keeping the wound clean and dry. Its breathable nature promotes faster healing. With a convenient 7x7 size, this dressing offers ample coverage for larger wounds. Each box contains 5 dressings for your convenience. Experience the difference in wound care. This dressing is designed to promote healing while significantly reducing patient discomfort. What we like? This dressing is specifically designed for the sacral area, offering targeted care. If you need a reliable and comfortable dressing for bed sores or wounds in this sensitive region, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for individuals requiring specialized wound management. What people say. The gel is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface for nail extensions. It has a good consistency, not too runny or too thick, which makes it manageable for both beginners and experienced users. The cured gel is strong and durable, providing excellent longevity for sculpted nails without chipping or lifting. Number 3. Car Element Automotive Chrome Trim Molding 25 feet. Enhance your vehicle's exterior with stylish accents. Made from high-quality, flexible ABS plastic, these trims offer superior strength and corrosion resistance for any flat surface. These trims provide excellent protection for your vehicle's sides while adding a touch of style. They are easily customizable to your desired length and are UV protected for long-lasting beauty. Achieve a sleek, elegant look with a glossy chrome finish. Installation is a breeze with the strong adhesive backing, no cutting or drilling required, and it won't damage your car's surface. Protect your car's body from scratches and impacts, both inside and out. They are perfect for bumpers, doors, windows, and so much more, even household surfaces. Enjoy universal application for your automotive needs or household furniture. Let your imagination guide you to countless uses for this decorative trim. When you order multiple pieces, you'll receive them in one continuous length. If you have any questions about your order, feel free to reach out to us. What we like? Add a touch of style and protection to your vehicle with this flexible chrome trim. If you want to enhance your car's exterior or protect it from minor scratches without drilling, this is the product for you. It's ideal for car enthusiasts looking for a quick and easy customization. What people say. The gel is easy to apply and sculpt, allowing for precise shaping of the nails. It cures quickly under UV LED lamp, reducing the overall service time. The finished product is durable and chip-resistant, providing long-lasting wear. Number 2. Perfect Mold Alginate Molding Material. Introducing Perfect Mold, the professional-grade alginate molding powder designed to capture every fine line and contour. It's perfect for creating detailed molds of hands, faces, bodies, and decorative objects. This non-toxic molding powder is skin-friendly and safe for all ages, including newborns and sensitive skin. It contains no harmful chemicals, making it ideal for creating precious keepsakes of baby hands and feet. Experience a smooth, lump-free consistency that sets quickly and cleanly. You can rely on it for consistent results without cracking, slumping, or loss of detail. Mixing is simple, just add water and stir thoroughly. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, unmolding cleanly for hassle-free crafting in any setting. This versatile molding material is compatible with other casting powders, making it a reliable choice for your DIY projects. The resealable bag allows for multiple uses. What we like. Capture incredibly fine details with this professional-grade molding powder. If you're looking to create lifelike replicas of hands, feet, or faces, especially for keepsakes or artistic projects, this is the perfect choice. It's great for families, artists, and educators who need a safe and precise molding material. What people say. The gel is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface for nail extensions. It provides excellent adhesion and durability, lasting for weeks without chipping or lifting. The gel has a good consistency, not too thick or too thin, making it manageable for both beginners and experienced nail technicians. Number 1. Dawn Enterprises 1-Wide Universal Car Body Side Molding Trim. Introducing our 1-inch wide universal car body side molding trim. This self-adhesive, UV-protected trim offers scratch-proof protection for all vehicles, keeping your car looking its best. While designed for doors, this molding trim has multiple uses. Easily add style and protection to any exterior area of your vehicle where you need an extra layer of defense. This kit comes as an 18-foot roll, providing enough molding to cover a full vehicle application. You'll even have extra to protect other vulnerable areas on your car or truck. Protect your investment without sacrificing style. This molding kit provides a lifetime of protection in just a few minutes, preventing unsightly marks and damage. Manufactured in the USA, our products reflect unmatched workmanship. You're not just getting a high-quality item, but also supporting American workers. This is a universal, cut-to-fit product designed for most vehicles. Simply find a clean, flat location on your car and install it for a stylish, protective upgrade. What we like. Protect your vehicle's paint and add a sleek look with this durable matte black trim. If you need a versatile solution for preventing door dings and scratches on various parts of your car, this roll is an excellent value. It's perfect for anyone wanting to safeguard their vehicle's exterior with a subtle yet effective enhancement. What people say. This gel is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth surface for nail extensions. The gel has a good consistency, not too thick or too thin, which makes it manageable for both beginners and experienced nail technicians. It cures quickly under UV LED lamps, significantly reducing the overall service time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.